Hey there, future affiliate marketing superstars. Today, we're diving into a fantastic world called affiliate marketing. But don't worry if you're new to all this, I'm going to explain it to you in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll understand everything about affiliate marketing and how to get started. So, affiliate marketing is like being a helper for companies. Imagine you really like a cool toy, and you want to tell your friends about it. Now, what if the toy store gave you a special code? And every time your friends bought that toy using your code, you got a reward. That's kind of how affiliate marketing works. You get to help companies sell their products online, and they pay you a little something for each sale you bring them. It's like being a super friendly online salesperson. Now, to start, you need to find something you really like your favorite hobby or a cool topic. This is your special area, and it's important because you'll be talking a lot about it. Next, you get to choose some cool products related to your special area. These are like the toys we talked about earlier, but these aren't just any toys. They are awesome ones that people want to buy. Now comes the fun part. You tell people about these cool products on the internet. You make videos, write articles, or even use social media. Remember, the more you tell, the better. When somebody buys the cool product through your special link, the company gives you a reward. It's like a thank you for helping them sell their stuff. To be really good at this, you should be honest. Just like when you tell your friends about something you love. Also, try to learn a bit about the internet magic called SEO, Search Engine Optimization. It helps more people find your stuff. So, that's the basics of affiliate marketing for beginners. You find something you love, share cool stuff online, and get rewards when people buy it. It's like being a friendly helper for companies. And remember, if you want to learn more about this and become a pro, there are lots of helpful resources out there. Keep exploring and have fun with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy affiliate marketing, young entrepreneurs.